Dear students, welcome to today's session. Today's class, I will be doing one sum, how to prepare receipts and payments account. Already I told you all, it is very simple to prepare receipts and payments. You have to identify all the receipts, that is cash receipts, and all the cash payments. The opening balance have to be put in the debit side. Then put all the receipts on the debit side and all the payments on the credit side. Then you find out which side is greater, whether the debit side or credit side. Then find the balance. Is it clear? One thing you have to keep in mind, when you are writing cash receipts and cash payments, you have to write all the cash receipts and all cash payments, whether it is for the current year, previous year or subsequent year. Everything has to be recorded. Only you have to exclude the non-cash item. Is it clear? Only the non-cash item alone should be excluded from the receipts and payments account. So, we will go to sum number 5. Question number 5, page number 72. I will put the question on the screen. You just watch the screen, read the question, then understand, and then you move on to the sums. From the following information, prepare receipts and payments account of Kadalur Kabaddi Association for the year ended 31st March 2019. Opening cash balance 1/4/2018 11,000. Bank overdraft balance 1/4/2018 20,000. Stationery purchased 5,200. Travelling expenses 1,800. Dividend received 3,000. General expenses 500. Admission fees 4,000. Courier charges 2,000. Municipal taxes paid 3,000. Interest and bank charges 250. Miscellaneous income 350. Upkeep of ground 550. Grant from government 12,000. Telephone charges paid 2,800. Endowment fund receipts 10,000. Insurance premium paid 2,000. Electricity charges paid 5,000. Closing cash balance 31/3/2019 1,750. Okay children, read the question once fully before doing the sum. Okay. Now we will prepare the receipts and payments account. First you write in the books of Kadalur Kabaddi Association receipts and payments for the year ended 31st March 2019. Okay. Then write the format receipts, payments, rupees, okay, debit side receipts, credit side payments. Okay. Now look to the question. What is the first item given there? Opening cash balance, that is 11,000. Okay. Opening cash balance you have to write on the debit side. So you have to write like this: to balance brought down cash in hand, that is 11,000. Bank overdraft balance on 1/4/2018, that is 20,000. So overdraft means you have to put the opening balance on the credit side. So write like this: by, since it is opening balance, write by balance brought down. Under that you write bank overdraft 20,000. Next is stationery purchased 5,200. Stationery purchased. So when you purchase, you have to pay for it. It is payments. So write here: by stationery purchased 5,200. Next is travelling expenses 1,800. Travelling expense, again it is expense, you have to pay for that. By travelling expenses 1,800. Okay. Next is dividend received 3,000. Receipts to dividend. Dividend is an income. Dividend 3,000. Okay. General expenses 500. You have to pay for it. So by general expenses 500. Next, admission fees 4,000. Admission fees, it is a receipt. So to admission fees 4,000. Next, courier charges. Courier charges you have to pay for that by courier charges 2,000. You have to pay for it. It's a payments. Next, municipal tax paid. By municipal taxes paid, municipal taxes paid is 3,000. Interest and bank charges 250. Again it is an expense. By interest and bank charges 250. Miscellaneous income 350. It's an income. 2. Miscellaneous income 350. Next, upkeep of ground, it is an expense. By upkeep of ground 550. Okay. Grant from government 12,000. You are receiving grant from government. So 2 grant, it's a receipt. 2 grant from government 12,000. Telephone charges paid. By telephone charges, it's a payment 2,800. Endowment fund receipts 10,000. So that you write here 2. It's a receipt. Endowment fund, it's a receipt 10,000. Insurance premium paid 2,000. By insurance premium paid, it's 2,000. Electricity charges paid 5,000. Electricity charges paid 5,000. Closing cash balance 1,750. By balance carry down cash in hand 1,750. Okay, now I have written the opening balance here and all the receipts here. Then I have written the opening balance of bank overdraft. Opening balance of bank overdraft should be written on the payment side, and then I have written all the payments and also the closing balance of cash in hand. It is given. Now put the total of the receipts and put the total of the payments. Find which side is greater. This side, payment side is greater. So put the total here. I put the credit side is greater. So I put the credit side total, that is 44,850. Now 44,850 minus the total of the debit side. So that since credit side is greater, you will get your balance here. Balance, carry it down. You have to write bank overdraft. Since payment side is greater, bank overdraft will appear on the debit side. Okay, so this minus this will give you 4,500. That is bank overdraft. Put the total 44,850. So 4,500. Put a circle for that. Okay, hope you understood, children. Thank you.